Hello family, welcome home again. Today we'll be working on Mobicel Epic. I believe it's on Android 8. First things you need to do, connect to your Wi-Fi or hotspot, or at least have a SIM card with data. This process may take a while, it may fail. If it does, just press back and start again. Okay, couldn't connect, press back and press where you've connected again. Just tap there. This time around it should work. Just a second. There's something is going on. Don't copy. Use Google account. We're just here to verify that the phone is locked for sure, but I believe you already see on your left corner there is a key logo there and it's locked. That means this phone has been Google activated locked. It's automatic. That happens every time you reset your phone or hard reset it without confirming with your password. So first, let's press on emergence and press emergence information on the, and then we press on the name logo, choose image. We press on 3 lines. Gallery go, we press and hold. We place our hand and keep holding, and then we select permission, and then we search apps. Search apps and notification. Just wait a second. There we go. Open up info, and then we press on 3 dot and show system settings. Press on Android for stop and delete clear cache, and then we go back. Now we're looking for Google Play service. It's on the letter G, so it must be down. Something that I'm looking for here now. Android system, no, that one is okay. Let's go down to Google Play service. Google, yeah. That's where the data for the previous Google account is being stored there, so we have to delete that data. It will eventually forget everything. And then now let's go back and check if we have deleted the security memory folder. So now press start. When you see it rolling, immediately press back. You see the set up offline. Now it cannot finish because we have switched off Google Play. So let's go back and switch on Google Play service so that it can be able to proceed with the Google setup, because we cannot finish that Google setup without activating Google Play service. Press and hold, or place your hand and hold, and then type apps to search apps and notification. There is app and notifications. open info, select disabled, and then enable Google Play service. Go back again. Now press start and then press back. Now we have bypassed Mobicel Epic Google account. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe.